Hi, Emmanuel here. In this video, what I'm going to show you is how you can build you can build customized Amazon machine images. And an AMI, which is Amazon machine image, is kind of like the operating system with all of the libraries, packages, everything else that you need to build your computer. It's kind of like what you do. And an ISO image, that's what you use for building a machine or virtual machine, on premises, like on a physical machine. You want to build another machine on that, and which could be like a bare metal, like you have an empty box, and then you build off of that. On top of that, you build a computer, or you can have a guest machine on a existing machine, like your regular or day-to-day computer, and then you host another virtual machine on your physical machine. You can do that, but to do that, you need the image, which is a very compacted. It's a compacted file that has all of the packages, binaries, libraries, anything that you need to build whatever machine you want to build. On AWS, we use what we call Amazon Machine Image, and that's what I'm going to show you here quickly. So let's go to our console here. So we are on our console, and then EC2, that's for Elastic Compute. Elastic computer here. I'm gonna show it. I just wanted to make it a little bit bigger. So this is how you build your virtual machines on AWS. Microsoft Azure has a different way to do it. Google also has a different way to do it. Alibaba, IBM clouds, as well as Oracle Cloud, or all the other cloud computing platforms, they also have their own way to do it. So for AWS, when you come to the EC2 dashboard here, Elastic Cloud Compute, when you come here, I think that's what it is called, right? Elastic Cloud Compute. Okay, I should know this stuff, right? there's a lot to remember, but this is where you go to build your Elastic Cloud Compute, right? EC2. Yeah. So this is where you need to go. You need to be here. And when you come here, but for you to build, you need the images. See here? See images. All right. So now you have AMIs and AMI catalog. You can either go here or there. It's kind of like the same thing. So when you go here to the AMIs, that's plural of Amazon Machine Image, many here. And when you come here, it's no, it's not really the same. But when you come here, you see what you have. I think you have you own. See here. So it says here. It says no AMIs in this region for owned by me. Okay. So AMI is here. That's for what images that you own, right? And then when you come, you go to the AMI catalog. This is where you see the list of quick start AMIs here. The 45, those are the commonly used AMIs. And then you see my AMIs here, the ones that you can compile or build and then put it on AWS. And this is the marketplace where you have over 6,000 AMIs, and then you have community AMIs built by people and then published in this community here. So now in this video, what I want to show you is you may be working for a company. Yeah, you may be working for a company, and then this company, the kind of AMIs that they use to build their instances or virtual machines require certain packages, and they instead of you always, like, every time you provision a new AMI, a new system, a new virtual machine, you have to manually install But since you know that all of the systems here or in this environment, they need that this list of packages pre-installed on them, why don't you just automate that? And that's what I want to show you in this video. How do you customize your AMI, the AMIs that you need to be using at your company, or for your client, which requires specific packages always. All right. A tool that we can use here is what we call Packer. And that's what I'm going to show you. I mean, how to use Packer, customize your AMI, and then we're going to launch, and then we'll be launching an EC2 instance or virtual machine using an AMI, Amazon Machine Image, with pre-installed packages. The package that we will be pre-installing, like attaching to the AMI, artifacts, we'll be using Apache. It's a web application, and we know that this company needs AMIs with pre-installed web applications, for instance. So we're going to do that. And then in some other cases, it may just be maybe a database, like MySQL. It may be Aurora, or MongoDB. It could be anything. All right. But for the sake of this project, it's just a web application, and specifically Apache. I'm going to stop, and I'll see you in the next video in the series related to Packer project. Thanks for watching. God bless.